Hello guys! Do you know how to find the radius of a circle if you know the area? Let's solve it together! So in this exercise we are given the area of the circle and we are asked to find the radius with three significant figures. So let's remember the equation of the area of a circle is pi times r to the square. Since we know the area, the unknown would be the radius. So we need to plug in the value of the area, which is 55, and that's going to be equals to pi times r to the square. Since we want to solve for r, we would divide by pi both sides. So we can cancel them here, and it's going to be 55 divided by pi equals to r to the square. In order to cancel these two, since it's a power, we are going to use the opposite, a square root. So we take the square root both sides, and this one is going to be cancelled with the square. That means r is going to be equals to the square root of 55 divided by pi. You can do this in the calculator and you are going to get 4.184142, etc. Since it says to three significant figures, we are going to keep the 4, the 1, and the 8. So the result is going to be 4.18. The 4 doesn't change because the next number is a 4, so it stays as an 8. And the answer is 4.18 centimeters. And that's how you would get the 3 marks. Okay guys, I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe, book your own lessons with me if you want, and drop any questions you have in the comments box. Bye bye guys, see you next time.